Have you ever wondered why the Earth is so diverse, teeming with a multitude of species and landscapes? Ponder the magic of our living planet, a vibrant sphere spinning in the vast cosmos, radiating life in a myriad of forms. Earth, our home, is a planet of contrasts and harmony. From the searing deserts to the icy tundras, from the lush rainforests to the deep blue oceans, the Earth's nature is a symphony of interconnected ecosystems, each with its unique rhythm, melody, and harmony. Think about the desert, a place of extreme heat and cold where life seems impossible. And yet, life thrives here. Cacti stand tall, absorbing precious water from rare rainfalls. Nocturnal creatures burrow into the cool sand, escaping the day's heat. The desert is not barren, it's a testament to life's resilience and adaptability. Now imagine the polar regions. The Arctic and Antarctic are realms of ice and snow, where survival hinges on enduring the harshest conditions. Yet, polar bears, penguins, seals, and many other creatures have made these icy wildernesses their home. They've evolved to thrive in these severe environments, demonstrating life's incredible versatility. In contrast, consider the tropical rainforests, where life bursts forth in every direction. These are the Earth's lungs, absorbing carbon dioxide and exhaling oxygen. They are a riot of color and sound, home to more than half of the world's species. Rainforests are the epitome of biodiversity, showcasing the sheer variety and abundance of life on Earth. And there are the oceans, covering more than 2/3 of the Earth's surface. They range from sunlit shallows, teeming with life, to mysterious depths, where strange creatures dwell. The oceans are the Earth's lifeblood, regulating the climate, providing food, and connecting continents. The Earth's nature is a complex web of life, where each organism, each ecosystem, plays a crucial role. Every component is interconnected, a part of the larger whole. When one part suffers, the entire system feels the impact, highlighting the importance of conservation and sustainable living. To sum up, the Earth's nature is a grand symphony of life, composed of diverse ecosystems, from the resilient desert and the harsh polar regions to the vibrant rainforests and the life-giving oceans. Each plays a unique and vital part in maintaining the balance of life on Earth. It's a testament to life's resilience, adaptability, and diversity. It's a reminder of the interconnectedness of all life and the importance of preserving our precious planet. So, as we marvel at the wonders of Earth's nature, let us also remember our responsibility to protect and cherish it. Remember, we don't inherit the Earth from our ancestors. We borrow it from our children. So let us ensure they inherit a planet as vibrant, as diverse, and as beautiful as the one we enjoy today.